So this is a complicated weld to do. Firstly, it is a vertical, also slightly slanted vertical, but he has very narrow space here to work. So he will be welding this side now.
Crack in the wall, we show that fix. New frame, set it plumb, check your level sticks. Measure twice, mark your line, WisMods DIY.
Here we have the top view. Those two sides on the right and on the left will be a flat area. And in the middle we have a separate roof section, which will have a balcony over there. Those pieces need to be welded. The exterior was already welded yesterday. And these parts we will position properly and weld today.
Step by step, we lay it out. Cut it clean, that's what we're about.